Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we're gonna be checking out a brand new pair of Hey Dude shoes. Now, I love Hey Dude. Probably worn them for like the last 3 years or so. Got a pair on right now of their regular loafers. However, these are their newer sneaker versions. They're also slip-on as well. So far, I really like them. I'll go ahead and show you the old style right here. Here's your old style, very pliable and stuff. This one here, not quite as pliable, a little bit more down there at the bottom, I guess is what you would say. A little bit more cushion on the inside. Like I said, really like them. Get you all guys a little bit of a closer shot of them right there. You can definitely tell there is some size difference in those. I think they're really cool. I mean, the loafers here, you can see the tops, they sort of get disfigured and stuff. These ones so far have not done that. They are a little bit of a more snug fit, so you might take that into consideration. I'm not really sure. It might just be because they're, still new and I haven't broke them in, but they definitely do feel like they're a tighter fit than these, which I bought these the exact same day as I bought these ones. These ones I just been wearing more, obviously. Still really like these ones though. These ones here, here's the box for them. These are called the Sirocco, S-I-R-O-C-C-O. And then the other ones that I have on are just your regular ones, the Wally Americana. I like these ones too a lot. Right there on the back, American flag. 4th of July is about to come up, so I was like, hey, let's get some cool American ones. Plus I'm a veteran, so really like those. And these here, blue's my favorite color. Yeah, so overall, go ahead, check these ones out. Again, they are from Hey Dude, and let me know what you think about them down there in the comments. Love them, hate them, whatever. Have you tried these on yet? I haven't really seen too many reviews about these. I'll go ahead and throw some links down there in the description for you guys to check them out. And as always, please like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time here on Reviews and How-Tos.